Sorry about that. The memory ran out, so I had to upload it to the computer and took off these couple of nuts on top in the meantime. Yeah, I heard on YouTube not to mix and match your carburetors. I'm sorry, I've had to, because both sets of junkyard Webers were faulty, like Easy said. That's why they're getting rid of them. But you're still paying an awful lot of money for these sets that aren't going to be any good unless you throw lots of money at it, which is proving quite expensive. But I've been lucky enough to get a fair selection of bits. I need a couple of 145 main jets, and then I'll have a full set of 4 of them. Emulsion tubes, they're the old Italian type, and I got 2 180s and I've got 2 190s. So I need another 2 of them both sets. So, but the part that I'll show you here, that was broken on its matching carb. I'll show you what caused me to ditch it, because obviously I prefer to have chokes, because wheels can have quite cold winters. So, I don't know if I mentioned before, but these things that stick up, like my double set of squirties, I suppose, they came off the ones with the chokes, so that's why it was on the one without the choke, because I wanted to match them. Right, I'll show you now. This is the one with chokes, and as you see it has these inserts, and it also has these, which I saw on Easy Jeezy's scrapyard set, and a swap shop as he calls it or something. But on my other one of this, matching identical carburetor, same side, the screw head is all messed up and it's buried, and it's going to have to be extracted out. Look at it, soft brass, but saying that, it's in soft alloy, so I don't know. I'll have to work on the other carburetor for that reason. Meantime, I'm going to have to try and match these two. The only difference is this tube, which I don't know what it is. I've got to stick a arm behind that nut for the linkage to go on. I used the larger trash can valves that came off the choked ones. I don't know what the difference is, so if anybody knows, tell me. Alright. It turned out my fingernail turned out to be the winning touch to get it started. Yeah, that's that one in. Trash can in. Looks like it. I don't know. Let's see. Not particularly. Right. Main jacks. Yes. So 115, 180. So I need another one of that. I got 6 115s then. Oh, it's 200. When I bought them, there was 2145 going to 190s. So, right, so the 180s go to the 115s, and 190s go to the 145. So whoever was trying to run these cars would have been having a nightmare, because you just didn't have anything to say. Now, I've got 32 Venturi jokes, but these threads are the same now. They all seem to be all nice. How much is that? How much is that? That one's 115. 200. It's just all the dirt I've been where did I put that red screwdriver? And why do I make all these funny sound effects that I've noticed watching these videos back, from varying from hissing to just random sound effects? These main jacks, I'm going to turn them out, I'm going to turn them back, because it feels like I'm just cutting the dirt in the threads. So. It seems to go in quite a long way compared to the other ones though. It's a bit weird. There we are, main jet's in. Well, we got some idle jets, which were completely missing on the first set I bought. But because I'd never used them or anything, I didn't spot it in the pictures. That didn't stop me paying a fortune. I noticed the price seems to have climbed quite a lot on the standard beetle, around the 72 mark. And it's like what you were looking at a few years back at like 1300, and you're now looking at £5,000. It's like, wow, that's quite a improvement. Yeah, so property can be an investment. Well, I think the right car can be a good investment. What I'm doing with this jet, you'll notice it's a bit loose in the holder. So let's just try to spread it a bit. So trouble with brass, it's super soft. I see. Is that going to be a problem if it's sliding in and out really loosely? I wonder if I try swapping it. That feels a lot tighter. It's still loose in that one. So that would be completely pointless. Right, where's O-rings? Why in the set are them super small O-rings? Where do they go? I don't know. Tell me. Yeah, they're smaller than the ones that go on the idle jet. Right, there we are. The left carburetor, and it's the number 3 cylinders idle jet. That's very loose. Well, this is definitely going to be a nice change to that Solux, is it 34 pick C or D or something like that. But every time I accelerate, it's just like hesitate, and got some new wash plugs, some indexing washers from the States, and see if that gives a nice smoother burn kind of thing. At the moment it's a bit ratty. Hated cleaning one of these, and it was the one. Oh no, not again. No. Yeah, the other one of them, covered in that red hematite, and it was just a nightmare cleaning. So all them screws that fell, I can see one. It's not too good, is it? 1, 2. 3. Oh. Okay, it's not in there. Right, so I lost one again. Yeah, it really pays to put things in a pot. You know. But for some reason I always think, oh, I'll be careful enough. And you just can't quite be careful enough. Right, that's the idle jets in, and the main jets in. Venturi's Titan. It's gasket time. Hey, right. It was the gasket I wanted. Oh. These lovely gaskets. From Italy on eBay. Nice. Good. What's that? Very good. That made that thing. That means I have to do the float needle. Make sure my trip case is nice and tight. The annoying diaphragm. Right, how are we doing? Still in camera. Alright, I suppose we want the squirty jets. $40 EW. EW 50. W 50. It's like EW extra wet. So like 50s are less. Or is the 40s more? Which way around is it? Somebody's got to tell me. Right. One in here. One of these. One there. Good. Okay, that's my squirties, my jets. Needles. A long time ago, that used to be. No. What is it like that? What is it like that? Just